Welcome back. The asteroid landing was a huge success at Dugway Proving Ground this morning.
Yeah, this is pretty incredible when you think about what they were able to do here. This is part of a 7-year mission with NASA to land on an asteroid and bring pieces of it back to Earth. Well, news specialist Alex Cabrera was at Dugway bright and early this morning.
Yeah, this is the first time an American team brought back samples from an asteroid to here on Earth. I can't even think of the math and the science involved in doing that, but every single calculation worked, and now the real research begins. There are moments in everyone's life
Kilos 1 and 2 are in the area
they will never forget.
For the folks at home, this is a huge deal.
Kilo 2 has visual.
For the teams involved in landing a spacecraft on an asteroid and bringing pieces of rock back to Earth, this was it, when the capsule containing those samples came back falling to Earth. And when the parachute opened, meaning the capsule would land safely, you could almost hear everyone breathe again.
Just a sigh of relief from the team. I can hear some applause here.
At 8:52 this morning, the capsule landed in Utah's West Desert at the Utah Test and Training Range near Dugway Proving Ground after a 7-year mission that involved almost 500 million miles.
Went absolutely perfectly. Absolutely perfect landing. We stuck it. We didn't move. We landed in nice soft soil. The capsule looked flawless.
Dante Loretta is the mission's principal investigator and says the landing was so perfect it was even right off a dirt road.
And there's the crew out there.
Helicopters took teams to the capsule landing on that dirt road. The ground surrounding it was checked for safety. It is a military training range after all. NASA's recovery team then took readings for gas, radiation, and other possible concerns before the all-clear was given to bring that capsule to this clean room, which is also at Dugway.
Those are going to be a treasure for scientific analysis for years and years and years to come.
The cameras on the spacecraft to see where to land on asteroid Bennu were designed by the Space Dynamics Laboratory at Utah State University.
Detectors, the electronics that bring all the information back to planet Earth to make the most important scientific decisions about where to sample and if the sample was collected properly. And so, mission success.
Not only was this mission to understand the origin of our solar system and perhaps how life started here, but also to find out what this asteroid is made of, just in case. That research is for later, though. For today, it was all about celebrating the success and ingenuity of a mission even just 100 years ago wouldn't have been possible.
We can achieve great things. This country can achieve great things, but we have to work together to make that happen.
Now, from Utah, that capsule will be taken to Johnson Space Center in Houston, where it will be opened up and those rock samples will be studied. Now, as for the OSIRIS-REx spacecraft, that is continuing on to another mission to rendezvous with an asteroid called Apophis in 2029. And those cameras from Utah State University, those cameras will be a part of that mission as well. But still, overall, a pretty cool day right here at Dugway. At Dugway, Alex Cabrera, KSL 5 News.
Yeah, a very cool day. Can you imagine the mathematics behind that?
No.
That is just